Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to unarchive posts on Instagram. If you've ever archived a post or accidentally archived one, don't worry. I'll guide you through the super simple process of unarchiving posts on Instagram. Let's dive right in without delay. First of all, let's open up our Instagram app over here. And then let's go over to my profile. I am going to select this post right over here, and I am going to tap on these three dots. I am simply going to archive this post. So now it is going to disappear from my grid, but where exactly did it go? How do you unarchive it and restore it to your profile grid? So basically what you want to do now is tap on these three lines in the upper right corner, and then simply select the archive option over here. And then you can see stories that you have archived if you have any. And then what you want to do next is tap on this downward arrow thing and simply select Posts, Archive. And this is where all your archived posts will be. So let's select this one. And now if I want to unarchive this, all I have to do is tap on these three dots and then tap on Show on Profile. And then that post will be on my profile grid once again. And let's go to my profile and refresh this. And as you can see, this is the post that I have just unarchived. So that's it. That's how you can do it. It's quick and easy to unarchive posts on Instagram. If you have any questions regarding this video, please post them in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content. Like this one, I will see you soon. Have a nice day.